Okay, we're in Long Beach for Midsummer Scream, which is the world's largest Halloween convention. We're here to check out the Hall of Shadows, specifically one maze, which is from Lionsgate. This is a full maze, like something you'd see at Halloween Horror Nights or Fright Fest. It's the first time that a movie studio has done something of this scale at a convention, something like Midsummer Scream. We're going to speak with John Cook, who was the creative director of that maze, to hear a little bit about it. And then we're going to go through, and we have a special guest joining us through the walkthrough, Skeleton Sam from Lovecraft. So you'll see him in the video reacting as we're going through. For Attractions Magazine, I'm Philip. We're here live at Midsummer Scream 2024. We're going to show you the Lionsgate Here's the Fear maze. Let's go. Go ahead.
My name is John Cook. I am the owner and creative director with Plague Productions. And what we're doing here at Midsummer Scream is we were working with Lionsgate to bring all their amazing IPs to life in the first ever haunted attraction here at Midsummer Scream. This haunted attraction is a full-blown experience. We tapped into 5 different IPs, each with a series of rooms. It's definitely something comparable, maybe slightly larger than what you'd see at a Halloween Horror Nights, but still pretty massive in scale for a convention. For the different IPs we were granted to work with, we have these amazing hits like The Strangers, Cabin in the Woods, Saw, the new Crow film, Never Let Go. And we were able to bring these to life, not only in these amazing sets, but also with live actors. So every scene features 2 to 3 live actors from the films. One of the things to create these immersive experiences, we look at everything, including the audio. And one of the great things is that Lionsgate provided us really amazing sound clips to really build in. But to me, one of the coolest things about working on this project is we had Tobin Bell actually record some of the Saw scripts for us that customized it to Midsummer Scream. And for me, as a big horror fan, it was incredible experience. So we really hope you guys enjoy the experience, and we'll see you on the next one.
Tribute embodies your darkest terrors, each a harsh judgment of your life choices. Can you endure them and overcome your deepest fears? The choice is yours. You want to play a game?
Damn, we survived. Thanks for watching.